The apps can record the temperature to see, so we can see the effect of the atmosphere.
Now, forewarn weather with Mike Morgan.
And I'll take a look at that forecast for the 8th of April here coming up. There is a storm system out to our west that I'm watching very carefully for you. Skies are partly cloudy outside heading into our Tuesday evening, and our temperature is 49. It's been the high for the day. The winds have come down now. They're from the north at about 12 miles per hour. So Guthrie's 48, Kingfisher is 46, 48 in Watonga, 46 in Okarche, 50 in Shawnee, 50 and more in Norman right now. We'll be in the upper 30s to around 40 by 10 o'clock tonight, but the winds will be light, so that's good. It's only 42 up at Grand Lake in Miami, 54 in Ardmore, 55 in Lawton, and Woodward is a colder 45. Here are the winds. They're now light from the north. They'll go pretty much light northerly tonight. And light and variable winds coming up for tomorrow. Sunshine today, giving way to partly cloudy skies. There is some jet stream energy out here to our west. And yes, there's some snow already moving into the panhandle right now. This is going to push into western Oklahoma for tomorrow morning. And not impossible, even the metro gets a bit of sleet by late morning tomorrow, and then some chilly light rain as this comes across Oklahoma. The amounts will not be very heavy. There might be a couple of slick elevated surfaces tomorrow morning in northwestern Oklahoma as the sleet and snow moves on in. You see it right there, 31 for a low, so a light freeze, and some frost around in the morning. And a cloudy day for tomorrow in most of our state, and this will be the area where there's some sleet and snow. Northwestern Oklahoma, west central Oklahoma, and then pushing toward the metro with a bit of sleet, and our temperature will be hovering around 40 when we have sleet in Oklahoma City if we see the sleet, so no travel problems here. But in the morning, it will be colder in the western parts of our state. That's where there could be a little bit of elevated surfaces. It might briefly become slick tomorrow morning. We'll keep close track of it. There's a closer look as it moves on in. Sleet and snow right here. Again, most of this light, a few moderate patches here and there. There's Oklahoma City down there, and you see it comes on in here mid to late morning, sticks around for a while in the afternoon. Light totals with this. Light totals, not a major storm otherwise. But again, don't be too surprised if there's a bit of sleet around mid to late morning in Oklahoma City. And then late in the day, we'll climb to about 48, 49 for a daytime high. So a chilly day. 31 for our low tonight. The freeze tracker anywhere near and north of I-40 is fair game for freezing temperatures. The darker the blue, the colder the lows for tonight. And the metro from 28 to 32 in most parts of the metro for low. So a light freeze, some frost around because the winds will be light. And here's where that sleet and snow will be moving in overnight tonight and toward daybreak in the morning. And again, some midday rain, very light rain shower activity, maybe a little bit of sleet. And then late in the day, we'll climb to about 49. But it may be holding at 40 even at midday. That's a cold day, but at least the winds, again, will be light for tomorrow. And metro high temperatures from 47 to about 52 degrees. The folks that do see sun will manage to break 50 tomorrow. And that best chance of that will be in eastern and southeastern Oklahoma. Here are the highs. Notice only 45 in Clinton for tomorrow. This is that chance of sleet and snow here persisting for a pretty good part of the morning into the early afternoon hours, west central Oklahoma. And there's the snow potentially on the grassy surfaces. A lot of this is going to melt as it falls, but there may be some light dusting amounts in west central Oklahoma late tonight and for a while. Okay, here's the 5th of April. This is a storm trough here. Been talking about this for a couple of days, the possibility of some cloud cover coming in during the 8th, which is Eclipse Day. This storm trough appears to be in place. We're going to watch this carefully. Keep in mind, this is still about 12 days, 13 days out. But this is energy here that'll pick up low-level moisture in the Gulf of Mexico in the form of low-gray cloud cover, which could, for parts of that eclipse path, give us some cloudy skies. So it's not locked in. It's going to be sunny. It's far from it with this jet stream energy coming on in. That's a key forecast. Again, still around 12 to 13 days out. But the ingredients appear to be there for parts of that eclipse path to have some cloud cover around. We'll watch that very, very carefully. Fine-tune it as it gets closer. 31 tonight, 49 for tomorrow. A cloudy day. A little bit of light moisture mid to late morning. Some light rain shower activity in the afternoon. That'll be a late day high. 33 to 64. Much better day on Thursday. A windy 74 on Friday. 79 Saturday. Easter Sunday. A morning low of 60. Daytime high of 79. Cold front Monday afternoon. Turning chillier there. Maybe a few showers and thunderstorms. And there's your late week forecast. Jolene, that's your 7-day plus 4 this evening.
Thank you. A project